How to fix YouTube Shorts comments not showing on mobile. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the Shorts icon and search for YouTube. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen and open up Settings. Now scroll down, tap on Apps, tap on App Management and find YouTube. Now click on Force Stop and go to Storage Usage. Tap on Clear Data and tap on Delete. If this doesn't fix the issue, open up your YouTube. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner. Now click on Settings. Tap on General. Now make sure to disable this toggle of restricted mode. Now restart the application. I hope this will fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.